So we're here at Amco. We dropping off Big Baby. Cause I told y'all we made it from Indiana to California, but we ain't making it back. So we are at Amco. We dropped off the keys. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This video ain't even really for y'all. It's really to do a quick inventory. I know the house room, we don't look like shit right now, but we just want to do a quick inventory on everything. Just make sure stuff will still stay and look how it look when we come back. And, you know, people steal. And, you know, not saying I got really anything to steal, but you just never damn know. You know, you just never damn know. So we at Amco. Hopefully when we come back, Big Baby is back and better, and we can hit the road. Well, before we hit the road, we're gonna do a renovation. I ain't even know I said that. You did on a low level. I'll check back in with y'all in a little bit.
All right, so I know you can see we are not where we are normally. We're not where we're supposed to be. We're supposed to be in Big Baby. But luckily, I got friends who let me, you know, crash on their lovely couch. They have a nice setup, like an Airbnb in this bitch. But we ready to get home. So just to give y'all an update, because I have been so trifling with this channel. So trifling. Big Baby got worked on, so she's getting worked on. We dropped her off at this point, about 3 weeks ago. So get a transmission replaced. We were supposed to get Big Baby back on Saturday. Today's Tuesday. Because they holding my van hostage. They're holding my house hostage. So we're going to give them a call, because ain't nobody called me. Not a damn person has called me to tell me about the van. So we're just going to let y'all see. We got to, we went through, I don't know if I should say the name, but that's who has my van. So we're gonna give them a call right now. Early, because I just knew I was getting my car, because they told me Saturday. Called Monday. He was talking to me like shit. Like I was bugging him. I'm like, you got my house. You have my house, sir. So we gotta give him a call. We're giving him a call. Just turn on speakerphone. Hope y'all can hear.
How may I help you?
Hi, this is Asia calling.
Hi, Asia. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
So what I was telling you about 1 extra day, 2 extra days, that's what's happening. You will have it back. Actually, you may actually have it back today. But I was going to tell you tomorrow. But right now I'm looking at it. We'll probably get it done today.
Okay,
so
sounds good.
I'll call you. It'll be towards the end of today. But it looks like right now he's giving me the thumbs up. We'll probably touch it after.
Okay, sounds good. Will you just give me a phone call today? And you'll give me...
Yeah, so just wait for my call, maybe around 3:30, 4 o'clock, somewhere in there, and you can come get your baby.
Oh, okay. I like the way that sounds, Robert. I like the way that sounds.
We'll see you later on.
Okay, all right. You have a great day. He didn't mean it. He didn't mean none of that shit. Now, it sounds good. I want y'all to know it sounds believable as hell. However, he hit me with that same conversation on Thursday when I talked to him. He said he was going to have my baby done on Friday. I insisted on him. I'm like, Friday? He was like, yeah, we'll have it done Friday. Worst case scenario, Saturday, but you should have it Saturday. I was like, hey, if you need Monday, let's keep it till Monday. He was like, no, if you need Monday, like as if he was doing me a favor. I'm like, okay. Okay. Since you insist. And here we are, Tuesday. Still ain't got shit. So I don't believe shit he said. I'll get the Airbnb until tomorrow. So I'm with my friends until tomorrow. Renting their Airbnb, aka their lovely home, until tomorrow. If they ain't got my van fixed by tomorrow, they just gonna have to let me sleep up in that bitch. Cause you know I be needing some privacy. You know? I love my friends. They're so lovely, but you know, you just wanna, you know, be by yourself and shit. Yeah. This is probably one of the biggest downfalls about the van life. Because, like, if I had a regular apartment, I'll just be at home. You know? Yeah. So that's the update with Biggs to the baby. Y'all heard what the fuck he said. We picking her up tomorrow. Because how you gonna tell me some shit like that and you ain't called me? It's 11:44. Anyway. What I'll do is, because I'm going to get this uploaded on Sunday. No later than Sunday. So, hopefully we can fast forward and we'll be picking up Big Baby in the next scene. Like I'll do some, and we're in Big Baby. You know? Like some good TikTok shit. Like, ooh, boom.